Welcome to the Tecno Spark 5 unboxing and first experience video. This time round, Tecno has changed from the orange packaging theme to a bright yellow theme. The first thing we know about the Tecno Spark 5 from the packaging is that it has a dot-in display front camera. As usual, Tecno is the official partner of Manchester City Football Club. The other specifications that you can get from the box is that the Spark 5 has 2GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. The dot-in display camera is a very big change from the wide notch that the Spark 3 had. The Spark 4 and Spark 5 both have dot-in screen displays. As for the price, I don't expect the Spark 5 to cost more than 13,000 Kenya shillings. This is around 130 US dollars. Okay, now let's get into the packaging. The paper advert gives us some of the specifications. We have a 6.6-inch screen, 13 megapixel AI camera with quad flash, 5000 mAh battery, and this is a 4G device. At the back we have the quad camera setup together with the quad flash. At least we have the color orange somewhere. That was the power button, and I'll try to turn on the device. Removing the wraparound protector reveals the ICE Jadeite Tecno Spark 5. The Spark 5 screen has been upgraded to 6.6 inches from the previous 6.52-inch screen on the Spark 4. And a bigger battery capacity is always welcome. If you remember, the Spark 4 had a 4000 mAh battery. There is the front 8 megapixel camera, and it's quite nice that the screen guard has already been installed. They even left space for the front camera. At the bottom from the left we have the 3.5mm square headset jack, the microphone, micro USB port, and the speaker. I must say that this is a very smooth finish, with the top being darker than the bottom greenish part. As always, designed by Tecno. There is the SIM tray. That orange power button really stands out. What else is inside the packaging? Let's take a look at the accessories. That's the email identification sticker, never throw that away. We have the 13-month warranty card. A free, clear and flexible rubber phone case with dust-proof flaps at the bottom. As always, there is usually some satisfaction while snapping the corners in. And don't forget the dust-proof flaps. Also in the box is a very thick micro USB cable and a hands-free headset. This is how the Tecno headset looks like up close. Lastly, a 2 Ampere charger, and I don't know why this charger does not have the British standard plug at the end. The other accessory is the SIM ejector tool. Now, the Spark 5 is a dual SIM device and accepts nano SIM cards in this SIM tray. The SIM tray also has space for additional external storage. I wish Tecno would have upgraded the storage value to 64GB. I mean all the devices since the Spark 3 have 32GB storage. The Spark 3 was also an upgrade from the Spark 2, which only had 16GB storage. We are now in the first experience part of the video. The Spark 5 feels good and the rubber case grips firmly in the hand. No accidental slips will happen. The screen has a 720 by 1600 resolution and it's not that bad. Let us check the device specifications from the settings. We had already seen that it has 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. The front camera is 8 megapixel and I would like to mention that it has dual flashlights at the top. The rear camera setup is a 13 megapixel quad camera setup and we had seen that it also has quad flash. The processor is a 2 GHz quad-core processor, not bad. The battery capacity is very impressive at 5000 mAh. And finally, the Spark 5 runs on Android 10 operating system. Navigation is by on-screen buttons and at the bottom you can see a bezel that is slightly bigger than the rest of the smartphone. This is how the speaker sounds like. 8 megapixel camera and this is a 16 megapixel camera. So the other difference you will notice is the front flash, and I will demonstrate this using the flashlight. It has a more tweeter sound with a very limited bass. Now let's take a look at the camera. The Spark 5 has a 13 megapixel camera and these are a few photos that I took. I also took a few selfies. Those are some wide selfies. That is because there are 3 photo sizes available. The obvious 4:3, 1:1 and the wide 20:9. This is a sample video from the Tecno Spark 5. I'm actually filming the box itself, although it's empty. I'm holding the phone right now. Now this is a video shot from the front camera on the Tecno Spark 5 and this is in daylight. And this is a video sample from the front camera on the Tecno Spark 5. I'm in a very dark room. The only thing lighting up my face and the wall behind me is the front flashlight on the Tecno Spark 5. It's not that bad, but it actually makes my face look a little bit darker than it is. Believe me, my face is much lighter than this. Those are my first impressions of the Tecno Spark 5. I would love to hear your comments and questions about the Spark 5. My name is Dominic. Thank you for watching and goodbye.